Alrighty guys, this is a first for YouTube, or at least any collector having one of these. This is a 2006 Reiker Legend heater ceiling fan. This is why I replaced the Newtone. Y'all likewise putting more modern fan. Things both a heater and a fan. So I figured I'd buy this because we don't have central heat because we're broke as hell. And yeah, let's get started on this. It's a light. I'm really not sure how to feel about this globe. This giant boob. Might get a different boob for it at some point, but for now this will do. See if this thing, does this thing dim? No, it don't dim. Alright. Let's turn it on low speed. It's kind of slow and low for what it is. That's an okay fan. It is quite wobbly on high, so I might try to get a bouncy kit for it or figure out which blade's out of clock. Alright. This is low speed. Actually got a pretty decent low. I think I can blow a little more air in my opinion for low speed. Maybe it's a pitch problem. What it is, it's not too slow for low. Actually, if you get it right here, it actually blows an okay breeze. It's a view from the couch. Alright, now medium. Top shot of it. It's flush mounted. Probably hang a bit too low if it's on a down rod. That's why I flush mounted it, even though this is one of the tallest ceilings in the house. Blowing a pretty good breeze. On a high speed is where it's at though. Kind of looks like something, I don't know, it kind of reminds me of, maybe it's just the lighting in the room, but it kind of reminds me of like a childhood photo. This like scene right here. Childhood photo that one of you collectors would have taken as a kid. Alright, now high. High is pretty fast. Kind of reminds me of a Casa, just a little bit with the way medium is a little slow, but then it jumps the gun to high. It is a wobbler, as you can see. It blows a pretty good breeze for high speed, I gotta say, for what it is. Not as powerful as the Newtone, but that's to be expected. Yeah. That box's crossbar is a little loose, so that's why it wobbles. Nothing I can do about that, it's just a crappy crossbar. And I sure as bloody heck don't feel like going up in my attic and screwing with it. Last thing I want to do. Alright, it's a fan of light running. Quite a beautiful fan. Fan is, I believe, 52 inches. It may not be, so I'll measure it and put that in the title. Alright, now heat mode. Here it start up. The heater is very loud. The heater motor is a lot more complex than the normal one. This is like a thick 153 motor. So it's very average, the fan itself is. They went all out on the heating element for this. You can hear that right there. And right over here is where the heat comes out. It's got like, what is it, 3 speeds for... Oh yeah, the thermostat, as you change it to a certain point, it'll be on medium speed. No, wait, you can change it. Yeah, you can make it faster, as you can see, using the fan speed itself. So yeah, it's pretty cool. And it does blow good heat. It's started to warm this room up more. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and I hope you all have a great day.